what do you kind of see as some of the main reasons that they don't maybe always speak out to these specific things?
A lot of it is on the slide, right? So you're looking at betrayal. You have someone that you look up to, you have someone that you have your trust in, and they take advantage of that. Betrayal, blindness. Because of this relationship that you have with them, you turn a blind eye to it. From an institutional perspective, believe your perception is that if you were to speak up, you're the one that's going to be retaliated against. You're the one that's going to be basically hurt by whatever accusation that you make. And again, if it's your word against somebody else's, it's too much of a risk for certain types of personality types to want to go down that route. And it's a very uncomfortable situation for certain types of people. They do feel embarrassment. They do feel like they may have, it's that guilt feeling as well. It's the irrational belief that they somehow created the situation that they found themselves in. If only they didn't do a certain thing, if only they didn't say a certain thing or dress a certain way. Again, these are all irrational, but again, beliefs are perception. Our perception is our reality.
And do you think it's common, like the victim tends to blame themselves, that just kind of like you said, okay, if I didn't maybe dress this way, or if I maybe didn't behave a certain way, that they probably, wouldn't do that to me, or I wouldn't be in that specific situation?
It's absolutely true in certain types of people. Not in everybody, though. I mean, there's certain people who will never think this way, but there's a lot of people who do.